What's going on, guys? We're already at the open really quickly here. I'm just starting to record. We're on NinjaTrader because I passed the BLUSKY account successfully. We made it. I'll show you that in a second, but I'm just looking for a short here towards the open. I want to get short. I need a little more than that to get short. I want like a 60 short.
Order submitted.
There's no long here until all the way back down at 184 on NQ. There's just nothing here except for a short. So I think the longs will take profit. I think we still could head higher, but I think we have to head lower first. Yeah, see how thick this feels? It's kind of like not dumping, even though there's like a decent amount of selling. Let's go to the 30 minute. 30 minutes a short setup. 15 minute. Sort of a, well, it is a long setup. I'm looking for short, but I need it up here. Nothing else. So let me bring this over here quickly so I can flex. Where is it? My BLUSKY account. Let me just hide the account numbers here.
Order filled.
Let's see what happens with that trade while I'm doing this. Okay, we get that initial surge. Are we going to get stopped out of this as well? I still think this is a great short. Check it out. BLUSKY. We successfully passed. We got the profit target. We have the consistency. And we made it after 4 days. Now I just have to trade for another couple days in that account. And then we'll be good to go. This is the company I've been talking about this whole time, BLUSKY. So you're allowed to withdraw immediately because they put you into a live brokerage account. It's not a simulation account. So yeah, that's why I chose them. But anyways, I saw green there for a second. It looks like we're about to just pop through this. I don't know. This is kind of... Let's see what SPX is up to. Right into a short setup, really. I kind of feel like taking this long off, or this short off already, but like, the setup is there, and the setup is valid on the 30 minute. It's a really nice setup. Reversal all the way back down to like this high, maybe, like 19, or like this area, 92. It's really good risk reward. It's a good setup. You just have to take it with your stop and then see what happens. So 19, so I'd take it down to like here.
Order submitted.
Let's just see what happens. Oh man, I'm feeling really good after passing that account. And that'll allow me to take more size than I can on this account. I can only take 4 contracts, I believe, even though I don't. But like the other one lets me take up to 10, and I know that that will help me scale into the future, like towards the end of the year. So looking forward to that. There's quite the tug of war. So what's the sentiment, right? Like people are flooding in long because every single day this thing has just been ripping, right? So if that fails, all those people are going to get stopped out. But it could just work, right? And then the FOMO's going to start again. We're going to head up even higher. We're just going to frickin' rip. Rip City. Pretty good risk reward on this trade. pretty high probability, I'd say. But, like, I don't know. And if I get stopped out of this, I'll have to wait till the top of the hour. Because I already took the only short setup there was, and there won't be another hourly setup until the close and open of the next hour. Oof. So the excuse me, that closed as a long setup on 5 minute. So this is actually a long now. Only on the 5. But that could be enough to send it and stop me out, unfortunately. What's ES doing? Same with ES. I don't expect a breakout, and I don't expect any legs of the breakout if it does. So, dang, it's gonna pop, man. It's gonna stop me out here.
Order canceled.
Yeah. See, and then it immediately gets sold off. Ugh. Super, sort of like thick price action. You see, it's just barely, like, the other days, it was just skipping like 10, 20 points per breakout. And now these are just weak-ass breakouts. So, SPX, the short setup. Well, it actually didn't totally hit. You got 5 more points. 5 more points. That might just be it. Like, I'm just waiting for that whoosh. And I'm not going to be in it, am I? But I also don't know if it's going to happen, and I'm not going to pretend I know exactly what's going to happen. All I can do is take the setups. As a trader, that's really all I can do. Now that we've broken out, we're trying to figure out if we're going to just send it. Like, if we look on, let me bring this over here. SPX, like, you know what I mean? If we're trying to break out, but other than that, we're just at like a double top. Not only a double top, but this is the liquidity zone to get short. But if everyone's shorting this thinking that, and it breaks out, this could be fuel for a crazy move. And all the conditions are right for that to happen. So, I don't know. 4 hours along. The 1 hour, that's a short. There's kind of weird signals all over the place. There's just a bunch of conflicting. I'm still looking for the short-term short, though. I just have to find a setup. YM's got it. I'll take one more trade. And if that stops me out, then I'll probably just be done. I don't want to, I don't want to give back more than 600 today. I need the candle to close. I must wait for the candle to close, or there's no setup. I want to click it so bad. I just won't look. I won't look for How much longer? 10 seconds?
Order filled.
Got it. Got it. So we... Ooh, that was right at the start, right at the end of the candle, like the last second. I saw that it was going to close. Oh, and we're just going to rip, are we? Ah, man. I saw that it was going to close right under, so I just took it short immediately, thinking that it wouldn't pop up and give me that fill anyways. But this isn't what I wanted to do. Are we just going to grind higher all day? Still a good setup. Same setup as before, but now there's more confirmation on another time frame. But it doesn't look like it's going to work. The price action is showing me that it's just going to head higher. And I'm going to get stopped out again and just have to be done. So yeah, it's just hovering there. It's just hovering, and it's going to catch a bid of some sort and then head
Stop
higher
filled.
and stop me out. You know, we could just keep going. The price action right now shows me we're gonna probably just grind higher all day. Anyone who tries to short this is gonna get effed. The longs feel too sketchy to enter. Perfect candidate for just going up. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm probably just gonna call it right now. I'm already sort of pissed off. I might take another trade, but I gotta wait for the hourly to close, and I want the long all the way down here at 15,184, 15,184, and on ES I want it all the way down here at 44.55. So I'm just gonna go take a break, take a breather, come back. I'll probably end up making it back. I usually do. So thanks for watching. Peace.